So after the Porsche rolling, the floor panel have some damage because it's too heavy, you know. But the purlins, the structures is safe and sound. The purlins and structures is safe and sound. So now after the test erection, we are dismantling the structure. Actually, after the 2.8 tons big fellow rolling on the flooring, there is no damage to the structure. It is safe and sound. So when we design and manufacture the structure, we always think about the extreme conditions, so that when extreme conditions come, and then our structure can withstand this force, this furious force, so that during our normal usage, like the people sleeping inside, and we put furnitures inside, and we even put some machinery inside, it is no problem. So we have finished the erection, the test erection, and also we have used a Porsche to roll over. So the steel structure is pretty solid and sound. Doesn't have any damage except, you know, where the tires of the Porsche touch the beam, and then it have a little bit of this dent. But we will do some polish and repair for this one before shipment.